Hey guys, so I'm home. Why is my camera? Yo, I haven't vlogged in such a long time. This feels so weird. But anyways, I am home. It's crazy how, like, I can see now. Camera's so weird. Anyways, guys, I'm home. I wasn't able to vlog. But yeah, let me show you guys what my face came out as. It's after 12. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. My earrings are from my company, The Missing Pieces. Follow us on Instagram. Bam. My earrings are from The Missing Pieces, and so is my bag, you guys. If you guys have not shopped with me, what are you waiting for? I have my cute little shirts. I was cute. I was cute today. But yeah, I'm gonna just reach in. I am going to call people them man and go to my bed. I will see you guys another day. It's a long weekend, so who knows? I might take you guys on the road with me tomorrow or something like that. We'll see, but I'm going to bed. My knee is hurting me. I don't think I mentioned it, but I don't think I mentioned anything in this vlog, but tomorrow we'll pick up and yeah, okay, good night. Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first official vlog back since I left Jamaica, which was in August. It's now October 25th. I am actually on the road doing some drop-offs for some Halloween orders that I had, as well as some other orders and stuff. I just actually stopped off at Fuffy's because I made some Halloween baskets for like all the little people in my life. So her niece and her nephew, my little cousins, my goddaughter. Why are you watching me?
Thank you, Zoe.
Oh, you're welcome, Cannon. You're welcome, Cannon. Why are you watching me? This bitch is watching me. I don't know what her problem is. Why are you watching me?
Are you looking up directions or something?
Even if I am, what's your problem? Why are you watching me? Oh my god. Anyways, so I'm leaving Fuffy's now. She lives like 5,000 years away in a whole other country, basically. Bye! I would show y'all her house, but I ain't. But yeah, so yeah, I'm on the road. I'm doing drop-offs for orders, and then I have to get some material for some other orders that I'm doing. I'm trying to start posting my Christmas ideas and stuff like that, because next week is November, and then yeah, I don't want to wait until December to get everything out of the way. So I'm trying to do all of that stuff from now. So I'm trying to be proactive. I already started. I just gotta kind of finish. I have a huge... Listen, I don't want to finish. I don't want to talk about work. I don't want to talk about work. Anyways, guys, how are you? Because I'm about to go in and start rambling. I don't want to talk about work right now. I would rather take you guys through my day and show y'all what I'm doing. Yeah? Yeah. So, heading on the road right now. I'm about to go pick up some material for some other projects I gotta do. And, what else? We need to go see if we can find 2 pants, 2 shirts, because time cool now. Yeah, time cool. Yeah, we got one good day this week. It was like 23 degrees, and I was like, baby, okay. And then the next day it was like 4. So that's where we're at in Canada right now in terms of weather. But Jamaica vlogs are done, you guys. What did you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. A lot of you guys reached out to me. I was like, Zoe, this is one of your best trips yet. And I have to agree, you guys, this trip was absolutely amazing. It was amazing. It honestly was just amazing. Like, just the fact that I could go to Jamaica, you know, because like I could not have gone to Jamaica. Like, I never paused that long to go back to Jamaica, so that was really weird and took a lot of adjusting, and you know, but outside was open partially, and yeah, we went and we made the best of it as I could possibly do, guys. Yeah, where we were, never did I really keep or nothing like that, and again, as I said, I just wasn't really comfortable with all of that mixing and mingling and stuff like that. But yeah, when I get to my next destination, I will get back in touch with you guys. I'm driving, I got a concentration on the road. Yeah, so see you at the next stop. No matter where they don't feel style, strictly up full vibes. When the bills, them, the rent, and the mortgage due. Yeah. When me challenge, can't get sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rap with me. You know, feel like reggae music, sweet. Yeah. Guys, so I made a pit stop. Really quick. Well, not really a pit stop. I still have to come and look for something. Can't afford for that camera for mash up any more than it's already mash up, you know. I need to send it into Sony ASAP or get a new camera, which I'm really upset about because it's a very well functioning camera, but I just can't operate. So me, easy for miserable, as you guys know. See, I can't even see myself and I'm not in the damn thing. Hold on, guys. We are getting ready to go outside. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because baby, look good, okay? I look so good. Like, wait, hold on, let me show y'all my outfit. Hold on there. Why? All my glasses are dropped off. Jesus Christ. And the glasses is a part of the fit, dog. Jacket, one store. Batman shirt, mine, I made it, yeah? Shoes, Walmart. Sweatpants, I don't know. But I woke up like this. And this is how I said I'm coming out the house in. So I just saw it there. Now let's go inside the mall. To the left. To them people, why them have to drive so like maniacs? My God. Anyways, that's the store where we're trying to go. Ross. Lucky. Why am I lucky? Something. That's where we're trying to go. Urban Planet. So, let me go. I think I have my debit. I think I have there's some Chinese food here, you guys. That's what I really wanted to come here for. You know what I'm saying? I can't enter through outside the store because of the mall. You know, with our niece Corona. Oh, you guys, I didn't even tell y'all. So I sprained my knee a few weeks ago, maybe almost a month ago, actually. And it's still really fucking with me. And it's the same knee, well, the same leg that I hurt my ankle. So yeah, that's the fun stuff. But here we are at the mall. This is Vaughan Mills Mall. It's one of our biggest malls in Toronto and stuff. I don't know if they're actually going to let me record, so I'm gonna put you guys away and come right back, okay? First you got a sanitization. Maybe not. And then this is why I hate wearing glasses and masks. Bruh. I don't even know if the mall is open yet. Shit, it's Sunday. Oh my God, you guys, I'll be right back. It's not open. I'm so annoyed. Oh wait, no, it is. Never mind. I only have 8 minutes, but I found these boots because, as I just said, the time is getting cold, and I mean, I have pants, but they just don't go all the way down to the ground, right? So instead of buying pants, what I can do is just buy boots, right? So that way but I can't with them big. It may not be your need. It's very narrow. Baby. Oh, so there's a hole in it too. Not gonna work for me. I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I am done with the mall. I got a pair of boots. Wasn't the ones that I initially had wanted, but whatever. I got a candy apple. You guys, pause. I think my thing is coming because a bare sweet things me I crave from Whittier. And I only crave those things when that time is coming, because anybody who knows me knows I'm sweet and salty and sour. But yo, I got a candy apple. Woo! Jesus, Lord of His mercy. How about this, man? Trying to be productivity and all these things are going. Anyways, see the candy apple here, people. I got them to slice it for me. Got good girl see. And then I got me some chocolate covered strawberries. Granted, I could have made these myself. However, to find strawberries right now, it's not hard, but to find good ones is hard because they're not in season. It's cold. So I got that from the chocolate store. And the last time I was at the Small Guys, I bought this Chinese food on Fluke. I was hungry. There wasn't many options. And I didn't feel like eating Taco Bell at the time. I thought there was a different Chinese place. Turns out there wasn't. So I ended up getting this one. And it was so good. Like, it was so good. And I've been dreaming about it ever since then. So I went back and I got it. Let me just show y'all, because y'all ain't gonna be able to see it like that. Yeah, so Szechuan chicken, sweet and sour pork, and Shanghai noodles. I got me a drink. This is what I'm finna eat right now before I move off. Coming to consume nothing from morning. Yeah. And yeah. Look a shirt on. Gross. So that's all for me. Can I move the car? And yeah, put some hot sauce on this now. I'm going to consume this and then head over to make my next 2 deliveries. See if I can quickly make it to the grocery store. And then it's home for me. Okay. Somebody just commented on a video, right? I was like, oh, this was the video, the vlog where me and Joelle were going to Mega Mart and we went to Hellshires. And somebody was like, oh my gosh, why are you talking to your man like that? I'm pretty sure she's referring to the time where we're in the car and I was talking about him letting in people. First of all, I wasn't talking to him in no way. Y'all, I get it. Because, Ross, I be watching other people's videos and I be looking at them and I be talking like, oh, why does so-and-so do this? Why does so-and-so do that? Y'all don't know if there was anything that occurred prior. If there was anything that was edited out, if there was, you get what I'm saying? Don't just make it seem like I wake up an angry woman. I'm not an angry bitch. And if I was, I would not have somebody. Like, you get what I'm saying? I'm, you know, from this point forward, what I'm gonna do is just know what I put out there. I think I'm trying to be too, what's the word that I'm looking for? Relatable. I'm trying to put too much out there where it's like, okay, yeah, me and my man can argue, or we're not always gonna be good every single day. But it come like that uno used to, and that uno want to see. Uno no used to genuine real. Don't get me wrong, sometimes my tone might be off, sometimes whatever, but how many people talk to somebody who pisses them off nicely at that time? You get what I'm saying? Like, my gosh. No, man. No. It go from bad to worse, dog. And I'm not saying, again, I'm not saying that whatever the comment is on that the person is wrong, or you get what I'm saying? Like, I could have an attitude, but I'm human. We have attitudes. Lock my door. We have attitudes. You get what I'm saying? I don't know who is walking around the parking lot. Oh, yeah, be vacation again. Me, I want cute girl, so anybody could have want to take me one with them. Anyways, yeah. Those comments are so annoying. And after every time those comments are left, I always have to ask him, like, babe, do you think I'm mean to you? Wait, why are you listening to people? Like, if you were mean to me, I'd tell you. But you get what I'm saying? If I overreact, he tells me. Like, we communication, so now I'll put me in palm practice. I want to say I'll put me in palm practice. Yeah? Okay. But I'm gonna finish consuming this. I might not be able to come back because I only have 1 minute left on this memory card. I don't know why I took this memory card. So, wow.